this video, I want to show you how to participate in the SafePal Binance Launchpad. If you participated in the airdrop, this is an extra way for you to earn more of SafePal. Participate in the initial exchange offering of SafePal. So it's very simple. Today it started today. It has three different phases. Let me take you through it. So first and first, what you should do is that you come to the Launchpad. This Launchpad on the homepage of Binance. You click on the Launchpad. You click on Launchpad, it takes you to the Binance Launchpad. Now you can see now SafePal is the first one here. You can see that it's showing you that these are the number of tokens offered. This sale price will be determined, and to subscribe. Now the first stage is subscription period. The first phase is the preparation period before the subscription starts. Now, what qualifies you to subscribe for this SafePal IEO is owning Binance coin, BNB. So you go to view all. Under view all, you will see that. Now we'll go to details. Let's view the details. Now this is a preparation period. Will last between today and the 8th of February, whereby you'll be calculated your qualification to subscribe for SafePal will be calculated based on the number of BNB you are holding. Snapshots will be taken of the BNB, and it will be estimated how much of the SafePal token will be allocated to you. So simply buy BNB. If you don't have BNB, the BNB that we calculated is the BNB that is in your spot wallet. The BNB in your spot wallet will be used for the subscription. But then to calculate what will qualify you, all the BNB, if you have a BNB, your margin balance in your spot wallet or anywhere, minus the one that you are staking. If you have any BNB you are staking, it will not be calculated. Just the one in your normal Binance wallet will be calculated by 8th of February. Now, subscription period will start from 8th of February. Subscription period will start from 8th. On the 8th of February by 4 a.m. UTC to 8 a.m. UTC. That is in Nigerian time. It is 5 a.m. Nigerian time to 9 a.m. Nigerian time. That's when you can subscribe. And then after you've participated in subscription, then they will now start their token distribution. Token distribution will start 1 hour after they are finished calculating those that subscribed. Token distribution will now start. So you will not get your SafePal token. Don't miss this opportunity. The process is very simple. So between today and the 8th of February, you can accumulate Binance coin, accumulate Binance coin, BNB, and then get ready to subscribe on the 8th. You have just 4 hours on the 8th. 4 hours on the 8th of February in the morning from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Nigerian time to be able to subscribe, and then get ready to get your own token. Now the price of the token that will be listed will be determined afterwards when it gets officially listed. So this is an opportunity for you to make money. So if you miss the airdrop that happened in December and in January, and this initial exchange offering on Binance, do not miss this. This could be valued at large tons of money. So don't miss this project.